In this video, I'll show you how to restore your quiz progress in case something was deleted or changed by mistake. There are a few reasons why you might lose quiz progress. For example, if you accidentally deleted a question or section and already saved and published the changes, you may no longer see those elements in your quiz. If the edit was made very recently, the quickest fix is to simply use the undo button or press Ctrl-Z on your keyboard. Doing this will immediately bring back the last deleted element. Once you see the restored content, remember to save your changes again so the quiz updates correctly. However, if several slides or questions were deleted, perhaps by accident or by a teammate, and the undo option no longer works, don't worry. You can still recover a previous version of your quiz using the version history feature. To do this, close the quiz builder and go back to your quiz settings. Inside the settings, open the version history tab. Here, you'll see a complete list of saved quiz versions, each created automatically every time you click Save. You can expand any entry by clicking Show More Details to see what elements were modified in that version. To restore an earlier state, find the version created before the unwanted changes and click the three dots on the right. You'll see two options. Create a new quiz using this version. This creates a completely new quiz based on that saved state with a new quiz ID. Restore this version. This replaces your current quiz with that version, keeping the same quiz ID. If you're unsure which version you need, it's best to start with Create a new quiz using this version. This way, you can safely preview it without affecting your live quiz. When you select that option, you'll be taken to the quiz builder, where you'll see a message like, "This quiz was created from version ID." You can now verify that all deleted slides or questions are back. If everything looks correct, head back to your dashboard, and you'll notice a brand new quiz has been created from that older version. If you're confident this is the correct version and want to make it your default quiz, simply go back to version history, click the three dots again, and choose Restore this version. This will overwrite your current quiz with the restored one while keeping the same quiz ID. So all your existing links and embeds will continue to work. And that's it. That's how you can easily restore quiz progress or recover deleted content using the version history in the RevenueHunt product recommendation quiz app. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.